Hello friends, today we are going to see Reliance Industries target 4000 within 2 years and how. Friends, I am explaining a few examples. In IT industry, how they earn money, they sell their products to business persons. Those who are doing business, they sell their products, nothing but IT products like doing analysis like this. And after that, I am explaining fast moving goods. Fast consumer moving goods is like retail sector in which Reliance exists. And next, chemicals, oils, and digitalization like broadband services, telecom. And the recent crisis itself showing you which sector standard in stock market or which companies give good returns are retail sector, telecom sector, chemicals, pharma. These are the top sectors which given top quarterly results on positive note. Friends, and food processing sectors given good results. Friends, you see in last 3 years, from the last 3 years, Reliance spent $3 billion to acquire companies like Haptic, New Floats, Embibe, Find, Savan, Nedmates, Den, Hathway. These are the few companies. And Tencent, Grab. Grab is an online logistics company. Friends, see in Reliance Industries what was happening means from top to bottom it only deals and it provides that services to other companies also. Make a note of this, friends. It acquires Haptic, which builds world's largest WhatsApp chat box for government on this COVID awareness campaign. Friends, and it also does extraordinary works on artificial intelligences by taking real-time data on web portals and based on audio also. It uses some softwares which are by AWS. Friends, I will tell a few small example how it works. Means you opened an ICICI app and you just clicked credit card. Within fraction of seconds, one executive called to you and asked, "Sir, do you want an ICICI credit card?" How it happens means the click you clicked on that app gives him your email ID, your details with your phone number also. Like this, they get data and they within fraction of seconds they respond to you. Like this, they analyze. If you search a product, they itself gives fraction of seconds an ad on your mobile with that product in this website, in this JioMart, in this Flipkart, like that. Haptic is providing that types of services and which was under Reliance Industries, and it's giving its services to HDFC, HP, KFC, Oyo, Bayer, StarHub, Tata, like this, friends. Friends, Jio itself providing its haptic uses for its business on JioMart in so many sectors, health sectors, and it acquired new Now Floats, which is a SaaS, PaaS, LaaS based company. Software as a service, provider as a service, infrastructure as a service. Friends, these three are based on cloud computing and artificial intelligence type services. Friends, the small business vendors didn't have affordable amount to do business by softwares, hardwares, networking team and all this. They just simply buy a software service from these type of companies. Now Floats provides you a software which was built in cloud. So you just registered and take one sign in from that. Just that's it. You will do your work on that website. They will provide all data storage, networking, everything. Just you pay the amount. Like this, Now Floats also providing services to Reliance Industries and any other companies wants their service, they will provide. Like this, they are getting direct services from these companies and indirectly they are earning money from what they loses the share in their real time. In food sector, if their losses means Tata Consumer gains. In Tata Consumers, they are using this Now Floats haptic. They will pay some amount. It will again come to Reliance Industries. Like this, friends. And you all know that Netmeds is a medical online pharma company and it also started grocery. It has subsidiaries Just Doc and Kiwi Health. And next, coming to telecom, Jio, and retail sector, JioMart, and Reliance Oil to Chemical. It has both oil and chemicals which are presently used COVID time as hand sanitizers and all these things. And it has Balaji Telefilms, nearly 25% stack, and Edcast Learning enables, and Imbibe EdTech content, which provides educational content for online classes for students, and Savan Geo Music, and RADSYS, which is a 5G architecture which provides artificial intelligence on media and provides video calling, and which is backbone for 5G architecture in Geo platform. And Euros TV content, Hathway and Den Networks. These two are the major broadband service providers in India. Total over India, these are the two companies having majority stake in broadband services. And Haptech, just now I explained Haptech, which is number one company of doing analytics and provide services to their customers. Next, Find, which is an online app to provide retail dresses like that. And AR VR means which is a 3D dimensions or virtual realities like that. In future, it also plays a major role. And Grab is a logistic company, and JioMart, Reliance Fresh, all its services was done by Grab only. So friends, these are the few ideas and shares companies that Reliance Industries investing and its future planning of top number one company. It doesn't have any backdrop. It's debit free. Whatever income coming in coming years, which was double to their previous quarters. Why? Because retail sector. Up to now, Radhakrishna Damani, DMart, takes a major share in retail, but now it splits and somewhat came to Reliance Industries also. This is my view on Reliance Industries, and you can peacefully kept your investment in Reliance. You will get double your investment within 2 years. Friends, within 2 years you will get your investment double. So this is my update on Reliance Industries. Thank you friends. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Support